Let's draw another type of a rose. Here is the top. We can do the side petals right away. Twist the side petals a little bit. Here is the middle. Don't forget to double the strokes to get a brighter image. Do the center like that, close it. Look here, I haven't closed the flower cup completely. I've left some space where I can make a curve like this. Now let's make another curve from the edge of this first petal. Such a rose we have. It's not complicated. It has only one layer. Let's go backwards. Start from the lower. Petals. Here it is. You can do the center this way. Now have a look. Design the upper petals. Look here. I'll lead a line from this edge and wrap it right here. I'll twist the line. From this edge, we've got an interesting picture. Here's a dimple. The petal kind of splits up. I'll proceed from here and go there. Make it a bit wider. We've got such an open center. You can do that as many times as you need. Twist it this way. So we have a rose like this. It looks like a tea rose. Repeat it. 3 lower petals. And 3 upper ones. Like that. Look at this two and that edge. Wrap it. The flower can look like that. Now spiral this way. We've got another kind of a flower. You should practice every day covering a piece of paper with the strokes of this kind. As a result, you'll master drawing such beautiful flowers. the buds. This is a simple open bud. Let's make a more restrained design. Less curved, with 3 petals. Now draw the center of the bud. Close the bottom of the bud with a stroke one more time. Keep drawing the bud. It's simple. Add some petals. That's it.